Hello guys, it's me, Driftomatics, again. I know, oh, why him? But anyways, so this is something I built in my kind of spare time. I have a lot of free time, and I call it the Beast. And I'm pretty sure most people have taken apart, anything with a motor that's this tiny. This, the Beast runs off one of these motors. And we are going to test it to its limits of strength today. I have two 10-pound weights and a little tiny pathetic knex trailer, and we are going to test and see how much the Beast can pull. First, I'm going to start with something light that I think probably only maybe, I don't know, 5 or no, I'm just gonna measure a whole Narnia series, okay? It's not that heavy, it's only about maybe 5 pounds. Oh, Narnia. See? Narnia. Wow. Okay, it was awkward. Now, the trailer sometimes breaks, so it takes a couple tries to actually drive this thing. Like, have a successful pull. But I hooked up the trailer. I'm gonna put the Narnia series on the trailer. Oh gosh, I'm gonna spread these a little bit more. Okay, there we go. It's resting on there nicely, as you can see. It's on there. Over the top of that, it doesn't. Never mind. And then I'm going to take my remote, turn on the vehicle. Wait, is it already on? Nope. And now we're gonna see if it can pull that. Okay. How we're gonna test that is how we're gonna test if it does a full pull, half pull, or no pull. So it's gonna go from right here, where I am, which is, it's about I'd say 2-foot distance that this thing needs to drive, because it takes a long time for it to drive 2 feet, to be a full pull. And actually I'm gonna say 1 foot, because it moves so slow, and this will be a long video. Okay, nah, that's not a good marker. Let me see if I've got a good marking tool to mark my film. Okay, this is about 5 inches in front of it. That's a half pull. 1 foot in front of it, this gray one, full pull. Okay, let's see if it can pull the Narnia series. And I'm actually gonna make one more little line from where the back of it the back of the tires of the trailer go. Right back there behind the tires, so that I know next time. Okay, now pretty sure this thing can pull it, because I think it's pulled stuff like this before. It's kind of it's kind of slow. Seems to be pulling it pretty well though. Seems to be under little or no strain, which is great. I think it just hit the half pull line, and if it can keep going, which I'm hoping it will, it can get to almost there. Full pull. Okay, it can pull about 5 pounds right off the bat. And I'm gonna move this back. Space it probably. Okay, and then there's that, and then there's a full pull. And now I'm going to put this back, and we're gonna put a 10-pound weight on the trailer. 10 pounds. Most RC cars that you buy like from stores, even though they say they're like high speed, they really go like a half mile per hour. which is kind of stupid. So that's why I'm into hobby grades and modifying. So now it's got the 10 pounds, so we're gonna see if it can make a full pull out of the 10 pounds. It's already at half. Hopefully make it to full. Oh my gosh, are the wheels gonna clear that completely? I think they just did. Oh my gosh, that's cool. And so close, so close, so close. Yes, it did a full pull. Okay, now I will move it back one more time and we will try 20 pounds. I'm gonna unhook the trailer for a second because it's this pathetic little trailer is struggling. It's struggling to stay alive. It's like dying. But anyways, so I'm gonna remove the line, back to this place it was. Now we're gonna put on another 20 pounds. Trailer might break because I've tried this before and it did break. It's hard to find the perfect spot for it. Okay, and there is 20 pounds of weight on the trailer. So let's see if we can pull it. That snapping noise, nothing broke. It is a clutch. Since I am on carpet, that's gonna go off, and actually I know how to fix that, but most of the time it can't pull 20 pounds. I know it can pull 20 pounds with one of the weights on top of the vehicle. So I'm gonna try that. One 10-pound weight in the back, one 10-pound weight on top of the vehicle. Okay, let's go. And it's good enough. Come on, you can do this. This is Sparta. Come on, come on. Almost to a half pull. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Half pull already. I'm actually going to move this because it'll actually strain it even more probably. Come on, you can do the full pull. Full pull. He's so close. It's so close, guys. It's so close. It's almost a full pull. It's a full pull with 20 pounds. Now, let's add the Narnia, books. Oh, gosh, it's a lot heavier. Oh, and by the way, that motor, this truck is already about, I don't know, maybe 3 pounds, something. Now we're adding Narnia, which is 5 more pounds. It's stacked precariously up there. Precariously. You can do it. You can do this. Beast mode. Don't give up. Don't give up. Okay, I'm gonna give it a little boost because this rear thing's angled. And you can do this. Oh man. Come on, I'm gonna keep going a little bit. This thing it's been drained to its max. Okay, guys. So, hopefully it did no damage to it, because it is a nice truck. So, let us bring it forward, and I'll show you guys any damage has been done to it. Okay, nothing that bad. A little tiny piece got wobbly, and I think a couple of these the red things down here got bent. Guess I'm not in range. Did I turn it off? I think I turned it off. Seems to still work. Steering still works. Let me check the gears. None of the gears are stripped. And I'm actually going to show you. You probably can't see it because of how horrible this camera is. But, you see those tan... The bottom one of those tan pieces, if you look under the yellow gear, you can see that there's like a... There's two of those tan pieces. I think you can see them both. You can see that bottom piece right there. That's what making that popping noise because of a lot of strains being put on that, and it's just a little tiny plastic piece, and it's rotating on the shaft. And that is why it was not being the best. You know, because it could have pulled more if, you know, it was hot glued like I hot glued the rest of it, but I didn't hot glue that, so, you know. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please like and subscribe, leave any comments you want, and thank you. Bye.